Other things you need to know about integrations. This is different than bank feeds. These are 3 specific apps or websites that have a special connection with Wave. PayPal, so again, if you have a PayPal account, you want to connect it here under integrations. Shoeboxed is a great receipt tracking app. If you have a lot of paper receipts, they are extremely good. You can set up an account with them and then connect it. Etsy, if you sell on Etsy, you can connect it with Wave and Wave will track that. And then, like I talked about earlier, Zapier, you can set up a Zapier account, and this is just showing you some examples of how you can use Zapier to connect your various e-commerce, or maybe you're using Square or Stripe. Now, these both require a paid version of Zapier. They do not work on the free version. But if you're using Stripe and you also use Wave, then using this Zap is really great. It saves you a lot of manual entry. Also, if you want to connect Acuity or Calendly and have your invoices created for people who've booked paid appointments with you, you can do that. If you have, like I talked about, a CRM, HubSpot, Insightly, Piperdrive, Harvest, all of these you can connect to Wave. You can also connect and have your Wave customers automatically be added to your MailChimp or one of those. And then here we talk about business management. So if, like we talked about, Slack, if you have new invoices, it automatically sends it to a customer, or you can have a list of all your invoices in Google Sheets, or all these different things. It's really awesome. So I would highly recommend looking into that and seeing what can make your life easier. Settings is where you're going to customize your account. So this can be customizing your invoice appearance. You can change logo, colors, all your settings. And as you can see down here, you can add users. This is where you're going to invite team members and or your accountant or bookkeeper. So you can add an editor, an viewer, or a payroll admin. Viewer is great. We use this a lot in the nonprofit sector. If you're using Wave for a nonprofit, you want to have your board members be able to come and see Wave without actually messing anything up. You can make them a viewer. An editor will have limited access to your sales side, so they can't like mess with payments or checkouts, but they can see your invoices and do all the regular accounting work. And then payroll admin is specifically if you're running Wave for payroll and you need someone else to help you with that. So most people are going to be editor or viewer. Receipts, if you want to use the receipts feature of Wave, you can email receipts to Wave from your email that is connected to your Wave account, and it will recognize those and add them into transactions. And then you can fill out stuff for payroll. If you're using payroll, you can export all of your Wave data. If you're like, I'm leaving Wave, I'm doing something else, you can export, or you want a backup. And you can set up dates, currencies, and sales taxes over here as well. So that is an overview of Wave.